Guys, welcome to episode 2 of me running my own automotive shop at home. If you guys want to be on track with the series, then do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you are notified every time I do release a video. Today, I'm going to be helping out my friend Joey and his Acura TL. We're going to be doing an automatic transmission fluid change and also replacing the engine air filter. Stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so I decided to do the engine air filter replacement first because it was a lot easier to do and it was a lot quicker. So the only thing I had to remove was this plastic trim piece that was blocking one of the bolts that I had to remove. In total there were 4 of them, and I just went ahead and removed them from the air filter housing. And the old air filter, you can see how dirty it was. Oh yeah.
What? It's horrible, right?
Yeah, it's caked up.
That's fucked, right?
You want it? You want to install it? Now, having the new air filter side by side with the old one, you can really get the idea of why you guys should look at the condition of your air filter and replace it if you need to. Now, the basic theory behind doing this change is that with this new air filter, we're going to get more airflow past it. With the old one, it's hard for air to move past a filter that's all dirtied up like this. So your engine is going to be more happy, allowing more air to enter, and you're going to get a little bit more power out of it. You see the difference?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Hello? Now we're going to carry on with the automatic transmission fluid change, and guys, this is a tech tip I'm giving you here, okay? With any transmission fluid change, actually with any fluid change at all, make sure you know that you can for sure fill it back up, okay? So what I mean here is crack the fill plug free first, there, so you know that you can for sure fill this back up. After I got the vehicle on the ramps, I go underneath with a creeper and I discovered that there is a shield that needs to be removed first before I can drain out the old fluid from the transmission. The shield was only held in by a few bolts and some clips, so I proceed here and remove the shield. And then once that's out, I can crack this free and then drain out the fluid. Now you can see here from the old fluid, it wasn't too bad, but the owner still insisted that he wanted to change his fluid, so I went ahead and did the service anyways. And then all that was left was to use a funnel and fill this back up. And I used about 3.1 quarts, and I used only Honda Acura specific automatic transmission fluid, and then that was it. That was a wrap. We finished the job. We're done for the day. Alright guys, that wrapped up episode 2 of me running my own auto shop from home. In the shop balance, from last episode we had $30. From this job we earned $40, so now that gives us a total of $70 in the shop balance. We're not making any purchases right now, but we're going to slowly rack this up until we are ready to make our first investment into the business. So that will come in the future episodes, but for now, if you want to keep track with the whole series, hit the subscribe button. You will be a part of Zilla Squad immediately. We help each other grow. Nothing but positivity on this side. So I'll catch you guys in the next episode.